Right everyone, so as I said I'm going to show you how to have an estimate on our HMO can work and how many rooms that you can get in there. So what I'll do a screen share and share exactly what I do. So let's go in here blind. Let's just say I'm starting off looking for property and I want to look for Stoke-on-Trent. This, as you can see, it's all raw, it's all real, nothing's edited. Stoke-on-Trent, okay, to rent. Let's just see available in Stoke-on-Trent. If you know a certain area, what you can do is search for a one bed flat. These are flats. Okay? These aren't very good for what you're looking for. You're looking for shared houses. So go on to filter. Don't show house share. That is what you're looking for. Okay. Make sure that is not taken off. Press done. Maximum beds. Just go for one. Let's just see what comes up. There you go. It's a good chance that could be a house share. Here, £80 per person per week, including bills. That is a good chance that's a house share. Go through. What you're looking for is this. So look here, one bed flat, part furnished. Try and find it. As I said, pretty simple. That's studio flat. It's a one bed. Okay, so here, let's do this on Shelbourne Street, Pencroff. Let's click on this as an example. Okay, what you're looking for is the postcode of this. If you don't know the postcode, you can literally go on here and put Room B, Shelbourne Street, Pencroff. Literally go on here. What you're doing, I'm just doing it very simple, very raw. Looking for a postcode ST4. Yeah. You can go on Rightmove, house prices. That will give you the postcode. That's a quicker way. Here you go. Here, look down, ST45EY. Then, what you want to do is go back onto your here. Hopefully, it's an outside picture. Okay, pretty simple. Letter grid. There's a house number on that door. You can enlarge that. Hopefully, you can see. There you go. 15 Shelbourne. 15 Shelbourne Street. So, what I do, type in EPC register. If it's a residential, what you're looking at doing here is to receive the EPC from a domestic dwelling by using the address. On the left hand side here, press agree. The postcode was ST45EY. We said number 15. Show report. This is a random search. I don't know whose else this is, but I'm changing your preference. Currently downloading. Let's have a look. So on the EPC, it shows square meterage. What I used to do is get between 24 and 26 square meters to work out how many rooms you can roughly get in a house. Bear in mind, I haven't seen the floor plan, so that will give a good indicator. So straight away, I do 73 divided by 24. I can see this could be a 3-bed HMO. Yes, it could be a 4 if there's no lounge, but I'd say it's a 3-bed with a communal area. So let's have a quick feel. So you've got a long kitchen, like in a terraced house. That could be an extension. It's nice and knocked through. Share bathroom. There you go. So you can see exactly what's been done. That has been opened up. There would have been a doorway there originally. Lounge, out, front door lounge, yeah. You can see them two windows could be split in half to 2. There's a good chance there's 1 back bedroom. That's 3. There's no floor plan. So let's just show you a different way. Let's go and buy. Sale. Go back on the postcode ST45EY. See if there's any in the area or very similar, just to see what we could do with them. Including sold. There you go. So Shelbourne, that's a totally different house. That's a similar house, but there's not 2 windows. Let's just do that one anyway. See what it's like inside. There you go. So you can see it's more or less flows similar to the other one. It's opened up as well. Yeah. You can see exactly what I'm looking at. Floor plan. There you go. So that could be similar And this is pretty standard in a terraced house in Stoke-on-Trent, where you walk up the stairs, you walk on this way, you have to walk through the bedroom to get to that bedroom. Or sometimes you walk through the bedroom into the bathroom. Obviously, you look, try and turn the stairs around, put a corridor down this side into a back bathroom or another bedroom, because you don't want to be walking through one bedroom into another. But as I said, working out the floor area, I divided by 24, so that one down here at the bottom says 852 square foot. Let's get the calculator out. So what you do, 852 divided by 10.76, 10.76, that is how you convert square foot down to square metre, 79. So similar to the other one, it's 73. So this one's 79 divided by 24.26. You need to get, you know, your number in your area. There you go, 3.29. So straight away you can see all I've done is got a square foot here, divided by 10.76, which gave me 79 square metres. Divided by my 24, it shows 3.2 bedrooms. This is exactly what I've got here. Yeah? So that could be an ensuite back there. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 could be here, if that's big enough. You could turn the stairs around. There's a lot of things you can do. But straight away, I'd say this will be a 3-bed. And then numbers show you exactly how I do it. So I'd see this, work the numbers, go through my spreadsheet. I put £87,500 in there. Go through all stamp duty, legal, sorting fee, etc. Work out, I can't see the floor plan. I'd go to the EPC, like I've just done over here. Check that, divide it by 24, it shows 3 rooms. I'd put the 3 rooms room rate on the spreadsheet and go from there. It's a pretty quick and simple way. And if the numbers come up, that it works and the returns are great, then I can book in to go and view the property. So, just a very quick video to show you how I work out roughly how many rooms I can get into a property. You can do that all around the city, all in your area. I say it might take too long, but say Leicester. May or may not work, it might take too long, but you'll see as you're going through, do exactly the same look for HMOs. This is on the sold side, so that's why it's easier to go on the rental side. Go on rental. Find the property. If there's a floor plan, it's even easier. If it's not a floor plan, put the address in the EPC, get the square meterage, divide it by 24. As I said, it's my area, and that'll give you a rough estimate of how many rooms you can get in at a reasonable size. Let me take this off. The other thing to do is go around your area, say your student areas or your hospital areas, and just take note of how many boards say rooms to rent. The reason being is then, let's say I drove down this Shelbourne Street here and I saw a sign up on this one. I could come back, it's not up for sale because it's up for rent, and it might already be full so you won't see it anyway. Just go and get 6 or 7 in one area, download the EPCs, just have a quick look at what the square meterage is, and you might already know that this house, for example, was a 3-bed. You can get the square meterage off the EPC, like here, divide it by your 3, and that'll give you your magic number in your area. The reason why I say your area is every property is different. In Stoke-on-Trent, there's a lot of terraced houses. There's some Victorian terraces, there's Edwardian terraces, but every area would have had a build scheme and a builder or a few builders that built the same house in your hometown or where you invest. So definitely good activity. Go away, put me a comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, do so. I will do more videos like this. If you haven't already commented, or if you've got any questions you want me to do videos on, do let me know. I hope this has helped. I'll speak to you soon.